egg here, just put it on top. Wow, nice. This is even nicer.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today what I'm making for my family dinner is very simple. I'm going to pan fry some luncheon meat. How do you all normally pan fry a luncheon meat? Do you just pan fry it straight away? Or do you cut it large piece or small piece? Let me know in the comment section below. Once a while, this is actually my family's comfort food, and I like to cut it into this approximately slightly less than 1 centimeter probably thickness, and also I will coat it with a thin layer of egg to make it more fragrant. So let's start doing it right now. After you crack the egg into the bowl, we will actually mix it up. Usually in these instances, I will no longer season the egg. I will straight away put the luncheon meat into it before putting it into the wok, because luncheon meat itself is already seasoned. Just to make sure it is nicely coated well. Right, then it's ready to put inside the wok. It doesn't have to be very hot, okay? I'm only using medium or slightly medium high. If it's too hot, actually the egg can actually get burned quite easily as well. As a matter of fact, the luncheon meat itself is already like 90% cooked, or maybe it's already cooked. So each side we'll probably pan fry it for about a minute or two. Then it is done. Right, this is after about 1 minute plus. I'm going to flip it over. Someone asked Appa, how come you still using spoon? You can use anything you like, as long as it is safe, yeah? Why is it my stove is not too hot? Because I'm using an induction or electric stove. If you are using fire, you can't use spoon, it's too hot. So we'll give this side another minute or two, then it is done. Meanwhile, I actually prepared oil absorbing paper. Actually, I run out of my oil absorbing paper. I'm using kitchen towel. Yeah. So as you can probably see from here, I did not use up the whole can of the luncheon meat. The remaining here, I'm going to cut it into cubes for tomorrow to do luncheon meat fried rice. Ooh, that sounds very, very yummy. Alright, this is after another 1 minute plus. I'm going to flip it one more round. And then it is done. Oh, a little bit dark, it's okay. Because I was trying to show other things. Right, it's basically done. I'm going to take it out. Set it aside on top of the oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel. How do you avoid your luncheon meat not absorbing oil? Just make sure you do not reduce the heat. Yeah, do not reduce the heat, especially at the moment when you take out the luncheon meat. And I have some remaining egg here. Just put it on top. Wow, nice. This is even nicer. It's a little bit too hot. I just reduce the heat a little bit. Wow, this batch is even nicer. So we shall give this side another minute plus, then it is done. Again, don't forget to put it onto the oil absorbing paper and do not reduce the heat, especially the moment when you want to remove the meat, the luncheon meat away from the oil. Alright, this is after another minute plus. Gonna take it out. So do let it rest on top of the kitchen towel or oil absorbing paper for maybe about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then we can move it over to the serving plate. Alright, so here's Appa's very simple pan-fried luncheon meat with egg. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. We are going to eat it with some garlic chili paste. This is how we normally do it. Or you can use Maggi chili as well. Up to you. Bye-bye.